In this video, I will be showing you how I turn ChatGPT into my own personal English language tutor to help me practice my conversation skills and improve my grammar at my own pace. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll open my notes to copy a specific prompt that defines my tutor's role. I'm letting the AI know that I'm a beginner learner from the Philippines and that I want a structured, encouraging environment where it corrects my mistakes gently. I'll paste that into the chat and hit send. ChatGPT responds immediately, laying out a clear learning structure that covers vocabulary, grammar, and conversation practice. Now, I want to get some practical phrases, so I'll head back to my notes and copy a prompt for the 20 most useful everyday English expressions. I'll paste this in, and as you can see, the AI generates a detailed list with phonetic pronunciation guides and example sentences specifically tailored for a Filipino speaker. Next, let's move into some active practice. I'll copy a prompt to start a role-play scenario where ChatGPT acts as a waiter and I am the customer. Once I send that, the AI will begin the scene by welcoming me to the cafe. I'll type my response to continue the conversation. ChatGPT will give me immediate feedback and correct my grammar as the conversation goes. To wrap up the lesson, I'll copy a prompt asking for a vocabulary quiz using Filipino translations. The AI gives me a word in Filipino, and I'll type the English equivalent. It confirms my answers are correct and moves right to the next question. Finally, I'll copy one last prompt to set a long-term goal for my conversational fluency. I'm asking for a 6-month roadmap based on just 30 minutes of study per day. ChatGPT delivers a comprehensive plan, including a monthly roadmap, a weekly study schedule, and a daily 30-minute routine. It's the perfect way for me to stay consistent and track my progress as I learn. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own language learning journey, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.